Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue when uninstalling an app or program. This is, we could not uninstall this program, the operations did not complete successfully. Try again in a bit, the error code is 0x80073cfa. In case you need it, the error message might also read info 0x80073cfa error underscore remove underscore build package removal build. You may get this error for failures that occurred during the package uninstalled. So without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu and then type mo lang dito yung cmv or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then next ay ka naman lang select dito yung run as administrator. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na sfc space / scannow. So one word yung /scannow and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So kailangan lang natin hintayin ito na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. Ayan, so makikita mo dito na verifications 100% complete. Okay, so ang next step ay close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang si start menu, click mo lang siya and then click mo lang to restart ito siya. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang uninstallations error 0x80073cfa removal failed on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.